Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Roblox on Android. First, you'll need to download the Roblox application directly from the Google Play Store. Make sure your Android device has at least 1 GB of free storage and is running Android 5.0 or higher for optimal performance. Once installed, you can easily create a brand new account or simply log in using your existing Roblox credentials to begin your adventure. After logging in, it's crucial to set up a strong, unique password for your account to protect your personal information. For younger players, consider enabling parental controls, which allow you to manage spending and communication settings. Roblox offers various privacy options, letting you control who can send you messages and join your games, ensuring a safer experience for everyone involved. Once your account is ready, you can start exploring the incredibly vast library of user-created games, often called experiences. The Roblox home screen features categories like Popular and Recommended to help you discover new worlds. You can also use the search bar to find specific games or easily join your friends in their current adventures, making it a truly social gaming platform. A fun part of Roblox is customizing your avatar with millions of unique clothing items, accessories, and animations. You can earn Robux, the in-game currency, through various methods like creating popular games or by purchasing them directly. Robux allows you to buy special items, game passes, and even access exclusive experiences, enhancing your gameplay in countless ways.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.